Hey, I'm Amber from DoMyOwn.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Advion Ant Bait Gel. Advion is an effective bait that can be used against harvester ants, pavement ants, and a variety of other species. Advion includes the active ingredient Indoxacarb, which reacts with an enzyme within the ants' bodies. Sharing this bait allows the ant colony to be eliminated completely. Whether you're treating your home or your business, nuisance ants can easily be controlled by an application of Advion. Use it in cracks and crevices and points of entry to your structure where ants are normally found trailing. You'll want to place your bait in small dabs about the size of a green pea or an eraser in the areas close to where the ants are trailing but not directly in their path. You'll want to place bait in kitchens where you find ants trailing but not directly on any food prep surfaces. You'll also want to be sure to avoid placing bait in areas where other insecticides have been used, or on hot surfaces like stoves and ranges, or on surfaces that get cleaned and washed regularly with any type of harsh chemicals. When you're ready to use the Advion Ant Bait Gel, you'll take one of the tubes out of the package, like so. The plunger that comes in the package, and it'll also come with 2 tips for tight crevices where you may need to apply bait. On the front of the tube of Advion, you'll have a blue tip that needs to be unscrewed prior to use. This will allow the flow of the bait gel to come out. Attach the small blue tip by screwing it in about a half to a quarter turn into the unit, and it's ready to go. You'll take the plunger and place it into the back of the tube and act just like a syringe as if you were giving someone a shot, and apply small dabs of bait in the crevices where ant activity can be found. When you're done, remove the plunger and remove the tip and replace the original tip that came on the tube back on to keep your bait fresh if there is still some left in the tube, so you can apply it at another time. When applying Advion Ant Bait, you can place it in areas like underneath kitchen cabinets, around the edges of windows and doors, appliances, and other areas where they may be found trailing inside your home. If you're worried about placing the bait directly on a surface like cabinets and to prevent staining, you can place the bait in bait stations like we carry on our site. Bait stations are convenient because they help the bait last longer and give a dedicated space to control the bait anywhere that you place it inside the home. Bait stations can also allow you to reach areas that may not be as convenient, like floors or windows, if you happen to have ants coming in and need a vertical surface to treat on. Bait stations also help provide protection from chemicals on your counters, as well as protect from dust that may fall that would make the bait less attractive to the ants. Make sure you're subscribed and go over and check out our how-to and product videos. If you have any questions, give us a visit at DoMyOwn.com or give us a call and we'd be happy to help.